Welcome back to another Medtech Snapshot. I'm excited for our discussion today. I've got Barry Fulkerson in the studio. Barry's a longtime friend of mine. We've worked together quite a bit, and Barry also is a 30-plus year product development executive, in particular in the renal space. So I'm curious to get his feedback really in one particular area that has to do with user needs, Barry. So the question stands, if you're a startup and you have minimal funds, as you know, many do, how do you go about gathering user needs and those inputs on a budget?
Great question, Travis. It's I think we've all of us who've been through the startup phase have done this a number of times, and you're always looking at your budget and how do I do this? I can't go out and hire a marketing firm to go find this information. I can't afford it. What I've done in the past, what's worked out well, is depending on my customers, are the customers hospital based or home based or a combination, is doing things like perhaps setting up a patient advisory board. And that is identifying those customers, be it physicians, surgeons, nurses, patients, home patients, who are willing to talk about and advocate for what they've been through with your particular product. And then set up a series of meetings, but do it on a group level with them, because you get more interaction, you get more feedback about what the pros and cons, what they like, what they dislike. What you'll find a lot is the patients are more open with their physician if there's a combination, telling them what they liked and didn't like about it. And that gives you probably the lowest budget input for your user needs on what patients really like. Home patients are going to tell you, don't send so many boxes. I cannot open the pill bottle. And for God's sakes, on all your tubing sets you send me, I cannot open and close these clamps. They're too stiff. And the physicians are going to tell you, I need to know if the patient's compliant. Are they doing the procedure? Or I need a system that, minimizes the training impact. And then most important for everybody on the provider side is, what is this going to cost? And how can I do this cost effectively, really? That's just a few things I've tried in the past.